Salam sejahtera and a very good morning to all. Yang berusaha, Mr. Low Kok Po, Chairman of MST Golf Group Berhad, Mr. Ng Yap, Group Chief Executive Officer of MST Golf Group Berhad. Also joining us today are Yang Berbahagia Tan Sri Ong Leong Huat, Chairman of RHB Investment Bank Berhad, and Mr. Ganesh Sabaratnam, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of RHB Investment Bank Berhad, Encik Azhar Muhammad Zabidi, Director of Origination and Listing of Bursa Malaysia, members of the board, management and staff of MST Golf Group Berhad, distinguished guests, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Bursa Malaysia, welcome to the listing ceremony of MST Golf Berhad on the main market of Bursa Malaysia. To kickstart today's event, it is my pleasure to invite Encik Azhar Muhammad Zabidi, Director of Origination and Listing of Bursa Malaysia, to deliver his opening remarks for today's special occasion. Silakan.
Thank you. So I better switch off my phone. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mr. Lau Kok Po, Chairman of MST Golf Group Berhad, Mr. Ng Yap Sio, Executive Director and Group CEO, MST Golf Group Berhad, members of the board and senior management of MST Golf Group Berhad. We are also very pleased to have with us today the Chairman of RHB Investment Bank Berhad and former member of the board of Bursa Malaysia, Yang Berbahagia Tan Sri Ong Leong Huat. Always a pleasure to have you with us. Also, Mr. Ganesh Sabaratnam, Managing Director and CEO of RHB Investment Bank Berhad, distinguished guests, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamualaikum, good morning, and welcome to the exchange. Today is a particularly important occasion, especially for keen golfers among us, including myself. This morning, we are here to celebrate a significant milestone in the Malaysian world of golf, as we are about to witness the listing of MST Golf Group Berhad on the prestigious main market of Bursa Malaysia. Today's listing will mark the 19th listing for 2023 and the 6th main market listing for the year. So I would like to extend my congratulations to MST Golf on this momentous occasion. Today's listing represents a remarkable achievement for the company, which has established itself as a prominent leader in specialty retail of golf equipment in Malaysia and Singapore, and the first of its kind to be listed on Bursa Malaysia. Congratulations. This morning's listing also reaffirms the strength and the potential of golf as a sport in our country and the region. MST Golf's success story truly serves to inspire aspiring entrepreneurs, as today's listing reflects the potential of growth opportunities in the retail industry, especially for companies involved in the distribution of sporting goods. On a personal note, I must confess that golf holds a very special place in my heart. It is the most challenging sport that with every swing, the anticipation, the focus, the attention required, and the exhilaration that follows when you execute each shot, and hopefully you will achieve what you set out to achieve. It's never an easy task. No other sport requires you to master not one, not two, but 14 instruments in order to play the game. The game fosters discipline, patience, and develops a sense of camaraderie like no other sport. Even in professional golf, it is normal to see players congratulate each other, clap, and celebrate an opponent when the opponent hits a good shot or makes a rare hole-in-one. You will never see this in any other game. Watch a football match, say between Liverpool and Manchester United, and one team scores. You will never see the opponent coming to celebrate with you. It will never happen, only in golf. Golf is a sport rich in history and tradition, and over the years, golf has witnessed remarkable developments, including embracing modern technology and innovation in order to enhance the playing experience while staying true to the cherished traditions. And MST Golf brings all of that to us. Aside from what is available in their shops, MST Golf even brings us indoor golf centers for golfers and non-golfers to experience the game without having to be on a golf course. In Malaysia and Singapore, where MST Golf is most active, golf is an industry that has experienced remarkable growth. And this is evidenced by the growth seen for MST Golf's bottom line, which saw a compounded annual growth rate, or CAGR, of 41.8% from the financial year 2019 to 2022, obviously undeterred by the pandemic. That said, MST Golf's listing today will record a market capitalization of 664.9 million ringgit, based on the enlarged share capital of 820.8 million shares and the IPO price of 81 cents per share. The listing today provides MST Golf Group with a greater access to capital through our market, which will enable the company to further expand its operations and continue to elevate the golfing experience in the region. And I understand that much attention will be paid toward expanding the business in Vietnam, Thailand, and Indonesia. Now, so as an established and reputable player in the golf industry, MST Golf's listing on Bursa, Malaysia, will not only enhance their growth prospects, but also reinforce the vibrancy and potential of the sport as a whole. On behalf of Bursa Malaysia, I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to MST Golf Group Berhad on this momentous occasion. We commend their dedication, your vision, and your relentless pursuit of excellence. With the capital raised from this IPO and the expansion plans that will follow, I am confident that this listing will lead to new opportunities for the group. To the management, employees, and stakeholders of MST Golf, I encourage you to continue nurturing the passion for golf and fostering culture of innovation and inclusiveness. Your journey has only just begun, and we eagerly await the many accomplishments that lie ahead. To conclude, I would like to extend my warmest congratulations once again to MST Golf Group on today's listing. We look forward to witnessing the company's continued success. And thank you for choosing Bursa Malaysia. Assalamualaikum and good morning.
Thank you, Encik Azhar. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is now my pleasure to invite Mr. Ng Yap, Group Chief Executive Officer of MST Golf Group Berhad, to present his speech.
Woo woo! Thank you for Encik Azhar promoting golf. Dato' Muhammad Umar Swift, CEO of Bursa Malaysia. Encik Azhar Muhammad Zabiri, Director of Origination and Listing of Bursa Malaysia. Yang bahagia Tan Sri Ong Leong Huat, Chairman of RHB Investment Bank Berhad, thanks for coming. Mr. Ganesh Sabaridam, Managing Director and CEO of RHB Investment Bank Berhad. My fellow boards and members and management team of MST Golf, our IPO promoters and advisors, families and friends, distinguished guests, valued members of the media. Ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to all of you. On behalf of MST Golf Group Berhad, thank you for joining us today as we embark on a new chapter of our journey. Today marks an exciting milestone for us as we officially begin trading as a public listed company on the main market of Bursa Malaysia Securities Berhad. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank a few people. First of all, our board of independent directors, Mr. Po, Ms. Alice Lee, and Datin Suryani, my childhood friend and group chairman, KP Low, my older brother and executive director, Benny Ng, the team of RHB, our principal advisors, our IPO advisors, Grant Thornton, Sterling Business, Vital Factors, Boardroom Malaysia, Cheng and Alif, ILC, Malaysian Issuing House, and Bursa Malaysia. Friends and family of KB&I and IPO promoters, Finally, to all MST Golf employees who are definitely number one asset of the company. We have arrived this crucial chapter after months of hard work. We finally did it, and we are finally here today. Woo! We truly appreciate all the guidance, advice, support, and dedication that have led toward making this IPO a success. Thank you to each and every one of you. Ladies and gentlemen, we are proud to announce that our IPO has been very encouraging, with a subscription rate of 6.39 times from the institutional and selected investors and 5.28 times overall. This demonstrates the confidence and trust that investors have placed in us. With a successful IPO, the group has raised gross proceeds of 129.60 million ringgit. The fund will be utilized to further growth our business and operation facilities, expand into new markets such as Indonesia, Thailand, and Vietnam, upgrading our digital technology, and ensure sufficient working capital. I wish to note that about 90% of the IPO proceeds are allocated for business expansion domestically and regionally, and which is the main reason why we are here today for our IPO exercise. In the past 34 years, we never dreamt of going for IPO. Our goal is always to continue creating and providing new and innovative golf and brands experiences to consumers, both current and new golfers, through our retail business. Today, we are a very proud Malaysia golf retail brand with 47 retail outlets, 39 outlets in Malaysia and 8 outlets in Singapore. We have granted recognition from the esteemed brands in the industry. With a solid foundation built over the past 3 decades, we are now ready to reach even greater heights with this IPO. It is the beginning of a very exciting journey for us in many years to come. Thanks for all the golfers joining us, including Tan Sit Ong and including Zaha. Ladies and gentlemen, at MST Golf, we would be swinging golf club toward a golf ball, but today is going to be a different swing for us, using a shorter version of equipment, swinging toward a gong, and KP and I are looking forward to this. In closing, let's continue to shape the future of golf retail, deliver superior experience to golf enthusiasts across the region, and excite more new golfers into the game. Thank you and have a great, great day. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ng Yap, for the insightful speech. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, now, very quickly before we move on to the highlight of today's proceedings, please allow me to give you some brief updates on the market and trading information on MST Golf Group Berhad. MST Golf Group Berhad will debut on the main market of Bursa, Malaysia, bearing stock code of 5316 and a stock short name of MST Golf. MST Golf Group Berhad will be listed under the consumer products and services sector of the main market of Bursa, Malaysia. Ladies and gentlemen, it is 8:54 a.m. At 9 a.m. sharp, MST Golf Group Berhad will strike the gong, indicating that trading has begun for MST Golf Group Berhad. And for this, let us now invite Mr. Low Kok Po, Mr. Ng Yap, Mr. Benny Ang, Mr. Heng Kok Wee, Mr. Poh Ying Lu, Miss Alice Lee Chia Yi, Mr. Ganesh Sabaratnam, and Tan Sri Ong to be on stage to stand by for the countdown. Ladies and gentlemen, less than 2 minutes before MST Golf hit the gong. Approaching our last minute before 9 a.m. Mr. Ng, are you ready? Yes, we'll be counting down together out loud for good luck. Ladies and gentlemen, as we approach the last 10 seconds before 9 a.m., we'd like everybody in this listening gallery to count down together as loud as you can, yeah? All right, are we ready? Counting down in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On behalf of Bursa Malaysia, hearty congratulations to the board member and management of MST Golf Group Berhad, their advisor, and all the relevant parties involved in this successful listing ceremony. Congratulations.